You just got your paycheck. You look at your bank app, and after paying $2,500 for that cozy one-bedroom apartment and another $400 on groceries that somehow only filled 2 bags, you see it, that little bit of leftover cash sitting in your savings account. You feel safe, right? You think, at least it's growing. Well, I hate to break it to you, but at your bank's 0.05% interest rate, that money isn't growing. It's basically in a coma. In fact, with inflation, your safe money is actually shrinking every single day. You're working hard for your money, but your money, it's taking a permanent vacation. My name is Moa. I obsess over financial topics like this because I truly care about how we build our futures. If you're struggling because you feel like you're running on a treadmill, working more but never actually getting wealthier, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if it helps you out. Look, we've been lied to. Our parents told us, save your money in a bank and you'll be fine. That was true in 1980 when savings accounts paid 12%. Today, according to the FDIC, the national average savings rate is a pathetic 0.46%. Let's do some real math. Suppose you have $10,000. You're disciplined, you keep it in that safe account. Do you know how long it takes to turn that $10,000 into $20,000? This is where the rule of 72 comes in. It's the secret math the wealthy use, and it's dead simple. Take the number 72 and divide it by your annual interest rate. The answer is how many years it takes to double your money. Scenario A, the safe trap. 72 divided by 0.5% interest equals 144 years. You'll be dead. Your grandkids will be old. That's not an investment. That's a time capsule. Scenario B, the S&P 500 average. Historically, the stock market returns about 8 to 10%. Let's be conservative and say 8%. 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. See the difference? 144 years versus 9 years. Same $10,000. The only difference is where it lives. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Moa, the market is scary. What if it crashes like it did back then? I hear you. That's your loss aversion kicking in, a psychological trait where we feel the pain of losing $100 twice as much as the joy of gaining $100. You're afraid of the red on the screen. But here is what people really don't get. Doing nothing is the riskiest move of all. In 2026, if inflation is 3% and your money is earning 0.5%, you are guaranteed to lose 2.5% of your purchasing power every year. That's not a maybe loss, that's a definite loss. You're paying the bank to hold your money while it loses value. Doesn't that make you a little bit mad? It should. Let me tell you a story about two friends in Austin, Sarah and Mark. Both earn $75,000 a year. Sarah is careful. She keeps her $20,000 savings in a standard account. In 20 years, she'll have maybe $22,000. Mark, on the other hand, understands the rule of 72. He puts his $20,000 into a low-cost index fund. Here is where it gets really interesting. Using the rule of 72 at 8% return, Mark's money doubles in year 9 to $40,000. By year 18, it doubles again to $80,000. Sarah worked just as hard as Mark. They drank the same overpriced lattes, but Mark ended up with $60,000 more just because he knew one simple math trick. He didn't work harder, his money did. So how do you start? Don't just sit there feeling frustrated. Do this. 1. Check your rate. Look at your bank statement. If it's less than 4%, move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account immediately. 2. Use the 72 rule. Look at your 401k or Roth IRA. Divide 72 by your last year's return. Are you happy with that number? 3. Automate. Don't trust your brain. It's wired to spend. Set up an auto transfer to an investment account the day your paycheck hits. Listen, the math doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care if you're tired or stressed. But if you respect the math, it will take care of you. You deserve a future where you aren't trading every single hour of your life for $1. You've got this. If you're ready to make your money work as hard as you do, leave a comment saying double it below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reality checks. I'll see you in the next one.